In this video, I'll show you how to get to the password, the Wi-Fi password of your Epson WF-2930. Okay, so on this control panel, you're going to press the home button. Then press the left side arrow and you're going to get Wi-Fi setup. Press OK. Press the left side arrow and select Wi-Fi direct. Press OK again. OK. Press the left side arrow. Again the left side arrow. Select other OS devices. OK, and now go all the way down and your password will be there. And if you go up, this is the name, the Wi-Fi name of your printer. So you have both Wi-Fi name and password. Open your smartphone, go in the Wi-Fi settings or on your computer as well, and you'll have to enter these, and this is about it. You'll be able to print using Wi-Fi direct. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to comment as well.